Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. So I just want to give you a quick update on BNB Miner, the longest miner around. It's been running for over 449 days now, and it's still going strong. So this is the amount I've been hyper compounding, which is basically compounding like every hour. And this is the amount of BNB that I've got in there right now, 13 BNB. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more BNB over here. So I got 1.59. Let me do 1.58 because I want to leave a little bit for gas fees. So 1.58, and I'm gonna click on higher miners. And then MetaMask is gonna go up. I'm gonna click on confirm. All right, so this does 3% a day on the TVL value that you see over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that in, and I can calculate and let you know approximately how much I'm gonna be making per day. All right, so let's wait till that kicks in. Transaction is done. Perfect. All right, my TVL has risen now, 14.66 BNB. So let's do 14.66 BNB. That's about 3,149. All right, so let's calculate what is the value of that times 0.03, which is 3%. So I'm making roughly about $94 a day. Let's multiply that by 30 days. So roughly about $2,834 every monthly. But I'm gonna be compounding every day, guys, and that's my strategy with this. I'm gonna compound. My target right now is to get to 50 BNB before I do a withdrawal. So but in case you're looking to do a withdrawal, all you gotta do is wait until your barrel has enough BNB in it that you want, and then you just click on pocket BNB. I'm not gonna do it now, but just if you click on pocket BNB, your MetaMask will come up, and all you gotta do is click on confirm, and that's how you make a withdrawal. Remember, if you're running the script, remember to exit out of the script and then just give it like, you know, some hours, maybe 10 to 24 hours for your barrel to fill up, you know, or at least, you know, fill up to the amount of BNB that you want to withdraw, and then you can withdraw, and then you can run the script again. So if I was to wanted to withdraw, I'll just close the script, and then once I have done my withdrawal, I will go back into the folder and I will run the script again. Okay, and this is the script in action, just for those that want to see it. So this is the script in action. Right now I'm not doing anything, it's doing everything for me. So it's gonna log into MetaMask and then go into the site. And for those that are concerned about you know, your MetaMask password being there, without your seed phrase, nobody can take any money from you. Okay, so we don't ask for a seed phrase. It's just the password and the MetaMask account name that you need to plug in there in order to set this up to auto run. All right, so it's very secure, guys. Nobody's ever, if anybody ever asks you for a seed phrase, don't give it to them. That's the only way that they can steal money from you. Okay. All right, so that's done. So if I pop this open here, you can see that it says waiting for 1800 seconds for the next check. So yeah, so that's all there is to it, guys. You know, that's literally all there is to it. So hyper compounding in full effect. My BNB TVL value is growing every single day, every single hour of every single second, because I'm hyper compounding with the script. So if you need access to the script, message me on Telegram and I'll provide you the access to it. All right, guys. So hopefully you would enjoy this quick update, short update video. God bless, and let's make that money with BNB Miner. Take care. Bye.